Did you know that CrossFit is safer than sitting? It's true. Only 13 to 36% of all CrossFit injuries were low back related, while 23 to 38% of all office workers will experience a lower back injury per year. But then why are so many people told to stop CrossFit or other forms of exercise due to risk of injury? Because there's a huge misunderstanding between exercise and back injuries. Many doctors will say weightlifting compresses your discs and should be avoided, but the evidence shows that weightlifting does not negatively impact discs or lead to degeneration when compared to non-lifters. Running has been shown to not only have zero negative impact on lumbar spine health, but actually provide greater disc height and strength when compared to inactive individuals. All the current data shows us that the best way to prevent a low back injury is to stress and move your back, and that the real risk of injury is not using your back or resting it for prolonged periods of time. There is no exercise more dangerous than not exercising. And if you would like help finding the best plan for your back, visit the link in bio to fix your back with me.